Hello everyone, I'm so excited to be right here in front of you today in front of the turntable. Okay, Shada and I did a little bit of Christmas shopping for some costumes today, and I decided to stop at the thrift store. Something told me to stop at the thrift store, and I did. Ladies and gentlemen, today I found a record that I have been hunting for since a very young child of the city. Okay? It is the fabulous John Gary, underestimated lounge fabulous singer from the 60s and early 70s. However, I sing this song in Kauai all the time. And Randy was starting to wonder if I just made the song up. But now I have living proof, darlings, that it does exist. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd like to take you back on a journey to 1963 when it was really recorded. The one and only John Gary doing my fabulous Yellow Bird! Yeah, look at that! I love it! Oh! I am so excited! Ah! Oh my God, I love it! Are y'all ready? Sing with me. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Here's the story.
Did your lady friend leave your nest again? That is very sad, makes me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky away.
You're more lucky than me.
I also have
A pretty girl, she's not with me today.
They are the same, the pretty girl. They tend their nests,
Then they fly away. Up high in banana tree. I love you, John Gary. You sit all alone like me.
let her fly away in the sky away. Pick her coming soon, pick from night to noon. Black and yellow,
Oh, you like banana too.
he may pick you someday. I wish that I was a yellow bird. I'd fly away with you. But I am not a yellow bird. So here I sit, nothing else to do.